Hey guys, Erin back here with another video. Hey guys, it's Erin back here with another video. So today I am doing finger coils. I have not done this style. I've done it before, but I did it a long time ago. If I can find pictures, I'll insert them. I'm really hoping that it's gonna look 10 times better than that, because honestly, I didn't really like them like that when I did them back in the day. So if they turn out like that, I'm gonna be mad. So let's just hope that they don't turn out like that. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below anything else you guys want to see, or comment down below, you know, some tips to help me out, help each other out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Let's get into the video. Yeah, I start off on hair that I've already applied, leaving oil, just leaving the oil too. Side note, if you see some stuff in my hair, I did do a clay mask before this. I don't think I rinsed it out very well, and I didn't feel like getting back in the shower to rinse it out more, so hopefully I don't regret that. But anyways, today we are using this. Actually, I'm talking a lot, but I'm gonna say this and then I'll be done talking. But I did actually have finger coils last year, like in March, when I got my hair colored professionally, and I will insert pictures of that. So like the hairstylist, she did my finger coils, and I remember her using Mousse, so I was like, let me try to use Mousse this time, that I do my finger coils. So hopefully hopefully this works out well. But I'm using this mousse from LottaBody. It's the Milk and Honey Refine Me curl defining mousse. It says medium hold for soft curls, which is what you want. You don't want to use like gel when you're doing finger coils, because then they get too hard. And in case you want to do like a finger coil out, gel is going to make your finger coils too hard and crunchy to like take them out. It says defines curls, adds body and shine, and it says for natural hair, and it has no alcohol. This was $5.49 at my local beauty supply. So let's get into it. So my hair is pretty wet. I'm gonna start with this section right here. This is the mousse. It smells really good, by the way. I think I did a video recently with using mousse for a twist out, and so that mousse is like $15, $16, something like that. So if you want a nice curl mousse but you don't want to pay that much money, this is a good alternative. It's really good. But I remember my hairstylist just putting a whole bunch of mousse on the section, and then she started coiling, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think that was like 8 pumps, I don't know. Just gonna, okay. Now I'm just gonna start the coils. I know some people make sure their coils are perfectly parted. I am not that person, so just gonna get into it. Did it coil right? That didn't coil right. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Let me start up here. Maybe I can see what I'm doing up here first better. I'm gonna be back when I figure this out, y'all. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I think I got a better technique down. So I'm gonna show y'all. Of course, you're gonna start off on a wet section. I did finish this one off camera. It actually didn't take that long, but start off on a wet section, and then get you a cream that has great slip, but like also kind of feels like it smooths your hair. So this is, it's dirty, but it's the Beauty Nest Bring Me Back to Life Moisture Repairing Hair Mask. It's a 3-in-1. It's a styler, hair mask, and a leave-in. So I'm using it as a styler. But get you some of that, you know, a nice generous amount, and work it through your section. And then you gotta comb it through, because I think, you know, it needs to be super smooth and detangled to be right. So just make sure it's super detangled. I'm using my 3-row comb, but you could use a detangle brush, whatever. And then now take your LottaBody mousse, whatever you have, and take like a lot of that. Place that on the section, and then try to make sure I grab it all. Place that on the section, and then you're just gonna start like work the foam all the way through the section, and then start coiling. And then as your hand kind of like gets dry, like where there's no more mousse on it, you want to get some more mousse, because the mousse is kind of what's like helping your hand slip through the section. And that is the technique. Let's see if it holds true. You want to make sure your section is smooth before you begin coiling. And then coil all the way down to the end like that. So I'm grabbing a little bit more mousse because I feel like my hand is a little dry. And the act of finger coiling, it's just, you know, literally just wrapping the hair around your finger and just like keep twirling it until you get to the very, very end. You don't want to stop early. I'm actually just grabbing more cream because I feel like I need a little bit more slip. If you feel like a coil just isn't doing right, just put it back in there and try it again. All right, so I've got like these 2 sections done. Hands are very messy, but it's necessary for the style. I will be back. I'm gonna speed through the rest of this, and I'll be back when I'm done. Purr. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. My hands got so messy doing this. Like everything is messy. Like my mic got messy, my shirt got messy. That's why I'm like, hopefully you can hear me because my mic did get messy. But just a little hair update, y'all. I kind of noticed that these curls on this left side right here, This is like always just my very fragile section. And I think at some point I damaged my hair, and I don't know when. Product. But I don't know when. I think it was probably at some point when I was coloring my hair. I don't really think it was the blow dryer, but it could have been. I don't know. At some point I damaged my hair. I was gonna get my hair straightened soon, but y'all, I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore because I'm sorry, this product is getting everywhere. But I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore because I'm pretty sure I damaged my hair at some point. That's why these curls over here are so much longer. But granted, this side did already shrink up, so that's also part of the, like, you know, part of the difference that you're seeing. But I'll be back when my hair is completely dry. Just excuse the product on my face. I'm tired of wiping it. I don't know. I think it took me about 45 minutes to an hour to complete, maybe an hour and 15 minutes, something like that. I'm tired. But I will be back when my hair is completely dry. If I like it, I will have on makeup when I'm back. If I don't, I'll be barefaced. So just stay tuned. See you in a second. Okay, guys, so I know I said if I liked my results, I'll be back with makeup, but it's the same night and I just sat it in the dryer and I don't feel like putting on makeup, but I actually do like my results. So yeah, I really like my results. You can kind of see, so remember how I said I didn't rinse out the clay very well? Yeah, you can kind of see it. Hopefully that, I don't know. I'm hoping it'll go away over time. I feel like my hair might flake because of the clay, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of this Beauty Nest Watch Me Grow hair growth oil on my hair because there is a light cast on my hair. And the thing is, I don't know if the cast is from the products or if the cast is from the clay mask that I did not rinse out completely. But it's like a very light cast. It's not like anything like, you know, crunchy. It's just a little cast on it. But yeah, this is my hair. Whoop, voice crack. This is my hair. I think it came out really cute. I'm probably gonna wear it like in a side part situation because this section right here is just frizzy because I think I damaged my hair at one point. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear it in this side part. I think it came out pretty cute. I might be back with slow-mos with makeup if I feel like it, but if not, I'm gonna close out the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you made it to this point in the video, please leave down below a leaf emoji because fall is beginning. I think by the time you see this video, well, anyways, by the time you see this video, it'll be fall. So leave down below a fall leaf. And happy fall, everyone. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.